YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video, and currently I'm in the store. I have some sad news about my heat press. All that and more after the intro. So as I had mentioned on Instagram and Facebook, recently my heat press just died on me. I don't know what happened. I know I got it last year and it was pretty expensive. It was the HPN 15x15 slide out unit. Now, if you go to Heat Press Nation, you know how expensive it is. And it's guaranteed to last a lifetime. So I'm not quite sure what happened. But I did reach out to customer service, Travis at Heat Press Nation. And he told me a couple things I should do to see if that would make it turn back on. Well, I removed the back panel on it. I replaced the fuses. And it still didn't work. So right now I'm just like pulling the rest of the hair that I do got out on the top of my head because I'm upset, I'm anxious, and it's leaving me to work only from the shop. Which you can see I have another heat press behind me, which is the 16x20 Signature Series Auto Open. That was pretty expensive. My question is if you guys weren't gonna get right back to me, you could at least hit me on the email saying we were a little bit busy or something, not just leave me hanging. Personally, what I would like for them to do is be like, hey, you pay for the shipping and ship that broke one to us, we'll send you a brand new one out, being that it's only a year old. So right now, I'm just up in a frenzy right now about it. And I'm not quite sure as to what I'm going to do about the situation with this heat press. Although, I've had people that go through Heat Press Nation reach out to me and say, well, just give them enough time to respond. They're not responding in a timely manner to me. So this is why I'm thinking about going elsewhere. So on the better news today, I did get my sublimation blank, my dog tags. So we're gonna be sublimating on those today to see how the picture turns out. Now I've already printed a couple pictures for the dog tags. And the dog tags are approximately 1 inch by 2 inches. And they're pre-painted or they have the whiteout on there so you can sublimate on them. So we're gonna see how that turns out. Stay tuned. So what I'm doing right now is putting down some craft paper so my heat press doesn't get dirty. And there's no ghosting images. I guess I should turn around on that. If you guys know where to get bigger rolls of craft paper, please let me know. This one's running on low, pretty low. But I got my craft paper down. Right now I'm getting ready to use some heat tape. They say you can use some spray adhesive to put this on, but I'm just gonna use some heat tape and hope it works for the best. Go ahead and grab it. It's pretty quiet. Guess that's what happens when it's after hours. And I urge you guys to get you a tape dispenser if you're working with this tape, because this is a headache. And I'm going to tape where I want it to be on the image. I want it to be there. Make sure I got both sides taped on so it doesn't move anywhere. It doesn't slide. It looks something like that. So right now I'm just waiting on my heat press to heat up to 400. It's currently at 150. We got us a while to go. So I'll be right back with you guys as soon as it gets ready. Okay, so the light came on this time, but oh well. These are the two pendants I'm getting ready to sublimate on. As my heat press is ready, it's at 400 degrees. I'm getting ready to set them underneath there, face down, and I'm gonna cover them. Piece of craft paper. Actually, we're gonna fold it. And we're gonna close. And I will talk to you for the next few minutes, or actually, I should say minute. Heat Press Nation really did make me upset, so I'm hoping that they do make it right. I love their presses, and the first time that I got their press, the customer service wasn't too bad. So I'm really hoping we're able to get this resolved. If not, you'll see me with the new Green Monster Enduro Press, and we'll find out all of this by Wednesday of this week. So I'll keep you guys posted with that as far as that go. And right now we're just waiting for our pendants to sublimate, and hopefully they come out crispy like I see everybody else's. So yeah. Alright. It's going to be hot. I was already told this. Why I didn't wear no gloves, I don't know. Maybe I could pull it out by the corners. Whew! Jesus. Lord. Ah! Dave was not playing. This stuff is hot. Give it a few seconds to fan off. Let it get cool. And I got these tags, I believe, off of eBay. I tried to get some off of Amazon. There just wasn't any around. Let's see how it's sublimated. The metal itself is extremely hot. We'll just peel it back. Oh! My God! Ah! I always crack on my daughter about my fingers. But there it is. So how do you think it came out? I think it looks pretty pro to me. And that's sublimation on pendants. Oh my gosh. It's like, how long does it keep the heat for, people? There's one. That actually came out pretty darn good. Let's do this other one. I swear, I think the heat just lasts on here. Aww. So gorgeous.
That is so pretty.
And there we are. Sublimation on pendants. So this is a learning curve for all of us as far as the sublimation go. Check out my sublimation playlist that I have linked in the video. I should put it probably up here or up here. I'm not sure exactly where it's going to go. And go on this journey with me. We're all sublimating together. We're all learning together. And then until the next time, I'm out.